So my name is Michael Luciuk. I'm a product manager at Value Builder Systems. I am director of product, so manage both development and technology as well as the direction of where our product is going. So I manage development and the IT delivery of the product, so all the technology as well as just the product direction. So basically from day one, the relationship with AltexSoft has been my primary kind of concern. It is our development team, basically. We rely on them. And basically we've built kind of tools to measure the value of the business, and so that's kind of our questionnaire that can basically tell you what your Value Builder score is, and that Value Builder score is much like a credit score that you would get from a bank that kind of tells you what the health of your business is. And then by knowing that what is wrong with your business or what are the areas that you could improve, we built a bunch of tools to figure out what would the value difference be if you fix those areas, and then built a suite of coaching tools that actually help business owners kind of work with that. So some of our advisors are just focused on the metric side of things and just measurement, and then the other side of our advisors are actually doing more kind of mentorship with CEOs and trying to get their business to the maximum value or helping them through an exit. As we've kind of grown, we've kind of had to develop much more industry standard practices such as agile development and CI/CD, basically making sure that we have everything automated, auto testing frameworks and things like that. So just even how we deliver the product has actually changed over this last year. And AltexSoft has kind of really helped us and worked with us on that and trying to get to the point that we wanted to be. I would say that I've been very impressed with an understanding of industry best practices and kind of wanting as much as us to kind of move towards a better way of doing development. Actually, the analytics and project management staff is very great at kind of understanding our needs and translating them, and it's kind of a concern that sometimes happens with offshoring is language, and actually the team's English is incredibly well, and so we really have had very little issues with that. And so I think that really helps, as well as just the flexibility to kind of meet us in our time zone and work with us in having daily meetings and keeping that communication over. It's really about that communication. A lot of people are going to be uncomfortable with offshoring, and I think that my experience with AltexSoft has blown away all of those concerns, and I've been very positive. We were actually thinking of bringing it onshore at the time, and that has completely changed basically after I had such a positive experience with AltexSoft.